Now, children, in the first part, we learned about urbanization has and its positive and adverse impact on the socio-economic conditions of the country. Now, let us see how the problems of urbanization can be solved. Limit the size of cities by setting boundaries and controlling population size. Put a stop to using agricultural lands for non-agricultural purposes such as housing. Develop the rural areas by providing recreation, education, healthcare and other social services. Develop basic infrastructure in the rural areas, for example roads, water and electricity. Encourage rural population to participate in community activities and use community facilities. Create jobs in rural areas by building more factories to employ more people. Now let us talk about the satellite cities. The basic characteristic of a satellite city is that it is a smaller city near a metropolitan city which has its own local government and economy which is independent of neighboring large cities. For example, satellite cities of London are Brentwood and Crawley. In the same way, Gurgaon and Noida are satellite cities of Delhi. Now, satellite cities are not an extension of the large city nearby. In fact, they are separated from larger cities by vast rural territories or geographical barriers. There is a lot of cross commuting between the satellite cities and the large metropolis. Satellite cities maintain a balance between the population and resources of an area. Now let us talk about smart cities. A small city gives priority to the most favorable of development of infrastructure in order to enhance economy, social, cultural and urban development to meet the needs of its citizens. This is the reason why it improves communication channels so that services like housing, entertainment, telecommunications, business, among others, can be connected using advanced technologies that allow a city to grow and develop. Some important smart cities of the world are Barcelona in Spain, Tokyo in Japan, and so on.